See, we can observe that how Santa is used a process skill to observe a glass vessel with flake. She is simply using a small glass and empty vessel. When she is observing that empty vessel, there is no noise. When she pour the same empty vessel into some water, it will give some noise. Later on, some sandstones. She can take the glass into some sandstones and moving like this, it will give some sound. See, when she is pouring some water and making this type of thing, she enjoys a little bit of sound. These are very funny things to observe the children. But at the same time, they have used by the process skills, it gives large quantities of different types of observation, process and finally prediction or conclusion. So based on that one, how Saket lit a bulb with the help of a small battery. Saket is a 8th class standard studying boy. He is very interested in electronics and he takes the one charger dynamo and dynamite and he collects some wires from the outside and later he connected the wires into he cut the edges of the wire in a positive charge and negative charge, take two battery cells and add it and joint like this and put together with the wires in a positive side and negative side, then it will connect directly to the bulb will lit. You see that some children in our schools, they can make the funny, they can bring the fan with the adding of battery, wires and chargeable dynamite, all these things. They can use this process skills in the classroom also. They give nice scientific approachment by based on this process skills. Then coming to the house data, use process skills with the Baker experiment. Sweta is also a very intelligent girl and she is very interested in science. She collect three first empty bottles and pour half of the filled with water, three empty vessels and pour the equal amounts of water in the three that vessels. Later she take a paper napkin or cloth, cotton cloth, whatever it may be. She put each part of the small part of the cut the cloth or paper napkin, she poured dip into the water. After 10 to 15 minutes later, she can observe how the quality of the paper or what is the quality of the cloth. See that we have a large types of cloths are there. Nylon cloth are there, cotton cloth are there and terry wool cloth are there. Each cloth are used in different types of months. For example, in this time we are using jerkins. The jerkins are made up of, it is the woolen hair. It is the sheep, hair is collected from the sheep. So all people are using the jerkins and sweaters. Some are it is the sweater, it is by using the threads. So when we are going to observe in the hot weather season or summer season, we can observe that we are using the cotton cloths. See, we are using almost all in India, we have three types of climatic conditions are there. One is winter, the second one is rainy season and third one is the summer season. Based on the season wise, we have to approach the different types of cloths. On the same way, Shweta is also used the three types of baker and put the paper napkins or cloths, how much of the value of the cloth she want to learn. She put dip the paper napkin and sometime first one, second one, third time. Then later she opened with the help of a forceps and check it. Then depend upon the paper is also, it is some hard paper are there, soft paper are there. Some are very tearing paper, very small minute tissue paper. The tissue paper is always absorb the water. The second one is called as a hard paper, copier paper. It takes absorb the copier a little bit strong. Then after we can see the stripped tag type of paper. It cannot be absorb much more water. So All these things are use the process skills and they're experimentally proven. Next, we should continue use a model. First, how can you estimate the process skills with another method? The process skills are used by a model. What is the importance of a model? You can see the types of model in our surroundings. Each model is not mixed with the another model. Next, what is called predict? Predict means coming to the observation. First one is called as the observation. Next, how it will works. The predictions means how it is works. Then inference. The inference means conclusion. What gives the conclusion? Say for example, if you see the a model, if you observe, you see check the color of the petrol. Petrol color is different than diesel color. See, the diesel color is a greenish color and the liquid capacity is the liquid chemical components are different. The petrol contains Pb, lead chemical is there. That's why it gives large quantities of lead smell. When we are observing that smell, it gives some good smell. We are feeling like that. But health point of view, it is very dangerous. Then we can see the kerosene. Kerosene is a different types of chemical. The chemical is kerosene is different, but these three are the three components are slightly different with each other. Then coming to the predictions. Whatever we can see the precautions are how to differentiate these three. All are coming from the earth, but the types of works is different. On the same way, interference. The interference means how it is useful in our daily life and what is the result. Petrol is used for vehicles, diesel is used for vehicles, and kerosene is used for making the fire. See, all are belongs to one group, but the functions are different. So, on this method, on this process skills, these all points are indicated that how the things are observation and what are the uses and finally what are the conclusion. Based on this process skills. See, use a model. You can take the number of models in our daily life. See, the chalk pieces are there, pencils are there, pens are there, whatever the models are there, you can check. You can take. Then all the models are not equal. We should compare with the one model to the another model. Then you see the next one, prediction. Prediction means how it will work. What is the result given to the different kinds of models. See, you can, for example, check one model. You can try to take this is the one type of model explaining about how you can draw the diagram in a chart. This is a one type of model. Sometimes on the same chart we can use some add the stickers. This is the one type of thing. Some children are doing a good drawing work skills are there. Some are taking the paper sheets and directly pasted the plant leaves and animal pictures on the same chart. See, on the same type of things are applicable to the use a different types of model. Then the predictions means give some names. For example, the chart belongs to plants chart. The next one belongs to animals charts. The third one belongs to different types of chemical charts. The three are different. This is explained by the predictions. Next, inference. What is the use of this inference? What is the importance of charts? The charts are always gives the knowledge to the children to expose a good idea and explain about the drawing skills. How they make the draw the lines. That is also very good important skill. Handwriting skill will improve and the diagrammatic skill are also very developed. Then after finishing these charts we can label it and directly put into the our walls in our each school. Then they are coming to see that walls, they feel very happy. All the children are very interested to observe how these people are doing like this. Some are very interesting to do some practical knowledge. For example, in your higher studies, when you are going to the higher studies, you want to take the MBBS doctor. First you have to join, you have to cut the frog dissection. Frog dissection means we have to cut the animal of the frog and labeling the different kinds of parts. All these things are going to explain about the practical knowledge by using the process skills only. In the previously, the scientists are also worked by this to develop the process skills. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we will continue the next lesson.